Saying number 370. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." It is related that it was seldom that Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, ascended the pulpit and did not utter the following before his sermon: "O people, fear Allah, for man has not been created for naught so that he may waste himself, nor has he been left uncared for so that he may commit nonsensical acts. This world which appears beautiful to him cannot be the replacement of the next world which appears bad in his eyes. Nor is the vain person who is successful in this world through his high courage like him who is successful in the next world even to a small extent.